Okay guys, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a really cheap slay today, and it's a T-part wig. I just wanted to show you guys how I make my cheap T-part wigs, synthetic T-part wigs look authentic. And so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl if you love tutorials on synthetic wigs and reviews on synthetic wigs and human hair wigs at times too. So yeah, today's wig that we're going to be doing is a very affordable wig. It's an oldie but goodie, and it is by Sensational, and it is the wig Trissa, and I have her in a color burgundy, I believe. I don't know, it's like something burgundy. Yeah, it's a burgundy wine, that's what it's called. So this is Trissa. Y'all know, like, she's an OG. Like, honestly, like, she was one of those wigs that I reviewed before I left YouTube the last time, and she's a very pretty wig. I got her in the lavender color last time, and I really didn't finesse her the way I really wanted to finesse her. This is a really pretty, great for the fall. I mean, I did, but I know more now about how to finesse wigs, so I'm really excited. She's a normal T-part wig. I believe she was under, like, she was like $30. She was really affordable. I got her from wigtypes.com. It's my favorite spot. It's my favorite spot to shop for the price, and because it's like right there in New York, so it delivers to Philly real fast. So if you in my area, like Jersey, even Maryland area, you definitely gonna get your products fast with wigtypes.com. And I really tangled this part right here. So she's not HD lace or anything like that, because it's an older wig before the HD lace thing became popular. But she is a hand tie center part, natural parting from edge to crown, 100% premium fiber, and I believe it is heat safe. It doesn't say that it's heat safe, but this is not one of those wigs that you're gonna put heat to, because it has a match. I already have a curl pattern in there, unless you want to straighten her. And she does come in some other nice colors. It's the green, like the stock card, and then the lavender one, which I reviewed a long time ago. So she does have the adjustable straps. This is how she looks. This is how the T-part looks. Not a lot of room to pluck. If you want to pluck right here, it's cool, but it's honestly not bad, and the knots are small. So we're gonna work with that. There's really no room to pluck on the sides, but you can lay the baby hairs if you like, you know. So I usually do the ball cap method, but I'm gonna just try to pull this down, because y'all know the whole thing is that I have a semi-low hairline. It comes up high in this area and then comes down low. So I usually do have an issue when it comes to the T-part wigs, because my edges will still show, and I really can't do a lot of color because it doesn't match. But I'm gonna try to pull it down as far as I can. So yeah. So this is how she looks. The trick when it comes to having a low hairline and wearing T-part wigs is you're gonna have to pull it down as far as you can. That doesn't leave much room now for your ears. That's the only problem I always have with it. So I always make sure to cut the extra lace off all the way on the ear tab. So like right here, all this to get cut all the way. Even if I have to cut, oh no, I'm not cutting any hair really, but sometimes you might have to cut some hair, but it's fine, like, you know. But as you can see the cap right here. You're gonna leave as much lace on as you need to cover that. If you're not wearing a cap, you definitely need to do the ball cap method. You're gonna need to do the ball cap method. I was able to pull mine down farther enough, so I didn't have to do the ball cap method. I'm just gonna keep it down over my hairline. So this is where I'm gonna need to leave some of the lace on right here, just so I can cover it. Okay, so I'm back. Just FYI, if it keeps sliding up, mine's not really sliding up that bad, so I'm not gonna worry about it, but if it keeps sliding up, you can put some Got2b gel and hold it down the cap right here. I went ahead and cut the lace off the sides like I showed you guys, and this is how much hair I cut off with it, just so it can fit comfortably in behind my ears. And I split it. Be careful once you split it, because you can rip the lace. Okay. So you see, even after pulling it down as far as I can, there's still, you can see the cap. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and I use my Wig Dealer lace spray, lace melting spray. It's with humidity resistance ultra holds from the website. I'll put the link in the description box. You can use Gotta Be. I know, what do you call that brand? I can't remember the brand, but they have, it's like comes in like a yellow and red bottle depending on the hold. They have a popular one out now. So you could use anything that you want to use to hold your lace down. You could use wig glue, you know? Depends on how long you want the hold to last. And if you're going to hold the wig down, and I'm going to put on my lace melting band by 1111 Beauty and let that dry. You can dry it faster with a blow dryer, but I don't feel like getting mine out. So I'm just gonna let it sit here. And I'll come back and I'll show you how to cut it. So I'm back and I'm just gonna show you how I cut it off. So you just wanna cut it off and normal how you would. Say doing a jagged line, whatever. I'm doing this in the camera, so please forgive me. And you just wanna leave the lace on. That's like near the ball cap or the stocking cap, whatever you did that day. You want to leave too much on. I can't really do this in the camera, but you don't want to leave too much on because you don't want it to look crazy, but you just want to leave enough on to where it covers the cap. So I'm gonna cut the rest off and come back and show you what I'm talking about. Hey guys, so I'm back and I put the wig on crooked a little bit. That's why it's like this, but I don't think I'm gonna part the, I'm probably gonna pluck a little bit right here, but it looks fine, to be honest. It's bulky on the sides, but that's normal. But this is what I'm talking about, like leaving extra lace on. I'll pull some hair down here, lay the baby hairs, make sure I pull it here to lay some baby hairs. It's the masters, okay? I can't do baby hairs in the camera, so don't ask. But I'll be back and show you the fit, guys. I'm back. So I lay the baby hairs. I did struggle. I always struggle with baby hairs, but you know, this is how she looks. So I will be taking this off at night and then reapplying her next day. If I wanted to wear her, I did kind of fix the part. It is a wide enough area right here where you can kind of part it, and I was able to fix the part to go down the middle. You probably can do this without the ball cap, but for me, it's just easier to see. But once you cut that lace off in the spot where you need it to be, then it's no problem for the next time. So you can just wear your cap regular and throw your wig on and lay your baby hairs. And I just did, you know, I pressed it down in the middle with my flat iron or curling wand or hot comb, whatever you use, and kind of just pushed up in the front like that too, just so it can be pushed back, and so it has that closure illusion. Not really, I mean, I guess you can do the frontal illusion with this too. It does kind of give like a frontal illusion, but the size is too thick for me, so I would never like pin it up or anything. But this is really cute. So this is, like I said, it's an older unit by Sensationnel Trissa, and it just really shows me how far synthetic wigs have come, because the hair on this is terrible. This is some hair that you cannot run your fingers through every day. You can't even brush this out. You brush it out in the morning and leave it alone, and then you come back maybe midday to brush it out again, because this thing tangles. Look, watch this. It's like I'm getting snags. Okay, now look, I'm getting snags, and it's not easy to run my fingers through. And yeah, especially like in the back, it's already going crazy in the back. Anyway, so this is my love this color is burgundy. Definitely, I'm probably gonna not wear this until I go out, because like I said, it's tangles. I don't want it to go bad too soon. My camera about to die, guys. I'm talking too much, but yeah. So hopefully you like this tutorial. Hopefully it helps somebody. Thanks for watching.